Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Call today to schedule a test drive.